Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi. Welcome to our channel Learn PHP. Today we will learn how to insert data in database. As we have created database in my previous video, so we will insert data in database today. So firstly we will remove this profile image field because we will do it later. So firstly we will comment this. Refresh the page. Now we will insert only these 4 column values in database. So we have already created our database school and table registration. So now we will insert these column values in database. So firstly we have to create a dbconfig file. So we will create a dbconfig file in our project folder. So copy and paste this file, rename this file dbconfig.php. Then we will remove all the things here and create db configuration here. For that we required 4 things for db configuration. First is host, that means our local host. We will rename this server and then username root, then password will be blank because we are doing in localhost, so we have not set any password for this. So now password is blank. Then db name. What's your db name? Our db name is school. Now we will connect all these things. $connection equal to new MySQLi server username password and db name. So our db configuration file is ready. Now we will post the form. Rahul Lodi rahul@gmail.com contact and DOB. Please save this. So we are doing save or form on save.php file. So here we have printed all. Here we have print all the post data. So for that we have print here $post. Now we will get all the data in each variable, like $username equal to $_post your name. Then your email, then your contact, and DOB. So now we have to write a query here. Dollar insert is equal to insert into registration, then our column names. What's our column names? We will go to the database, name, then email, contact, and DOB. Here you can see this. In DOB we are using date data type. So in our database the date data type will insert only YMD format dates. So we have to convert or post date into YMD format. So for that we will use date function, y plus m plus t string to time now our post date have converted into YMD format. So now we will assign values here. We will write values according to our column names, otherwise the value will be mismatched. So here your name, then your contact, and then your DOB. $connection, if $connection a query, we will pass $insert here. So then echo your record inserted successfully, else echo $connection error. Okay, now we will close the connection. Voila. connection shows. What is the error here? Oh, we have not terminated this, so we have to terminate this sentence. Okay guys, now we will insert record. So we have already filled all the fields, so we will just save. Here you can see this guys, undefined variable connection in. Okay, so here you can see this undefined variable connection. So why this error is coming? Because we have used $connection variable here and we have not defined here. So we are using that connection variable from dvconfig file. So we have to include here dvconfig file, include dvconfig .php. Now we will save the file and in the code your record inserted successfully. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, now we have inserted record in database. So we have to go to database and check. Yes, our record have been inserted in database. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.